again?
She's sleeping. Oh, sorry. No aliens, I guess. Area 15.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Stan, if you guys haven't been here before. So we actually went to this place called Area 15. We're actually here right now, but we can't bring in the big camera, so we're gonna switch over to the iPhone. So we'll take you guys in with us.
Aliens inside.
What a way to go. What we don't know isn't worth a dime, and we nail them all. I know you're the worrying kind. Is there any way, or do you like not being found? In time the light will fade. Don't you know I worry about you all the time? Anytime you wanna leave tonight, love, morning comes and goes, but I'll always be your shoulder.
Ooh, look who it is.
I go bowling.
Look at you. Whoa, 10-pound baby. Ready to go bowling?
Oh, we were supposed to put air in the tire.
Yeah, it's flat.
Really low.
Got the lowrider tires.
We got flat tires.
Super flat, you don't...
It's gonna be cold. Don't cover your mouth.
Jenny,
Oh.
you're gonna come bowling again with us.
She won't even know.
Yeah, so today we are at South Point, where we normally usually go bowling. And
Normally, usually. Normally, usually.
oh, we used to go bowling here.
Are we gonna get biz today?
You're gonna get bizzed. So we got a new word. It's called biz. Last night we were drinking at home, and I don't know, I was slurring my words and came up with the word biz because I was not buzzed, I was bizzed.
And you got biz really fast.
Really quick off of one
It was
shot
like one
tequila.
shot. Such a lightweight.
Weak
too.
sauce.
Totally. It used to be a party animal.
Right? Your face.
What's all this?
Got the bowling alley. So we are currently waiting for number 66, and apparently we gotta wait about 30 to 45 minutes because it's pretty damn busy here. It's a Saturday, so you know, and they changed their hours, so they don't have midnight bowling anymore.
So I guess we can't bring a baby to a bar.
You should bring a baby to the bar that's not even fucking can't even walk. So lame.
Right? Like, okay, I didn't know that.
Did he tell you that?
Well, I just said, sorry, I didn't realize I can't bring a baby to a bar. I mean, it does say you must be 21 years
Yeah,
of
but
age.
we didn't think that pertained to her. It's not like she's walking.
Yeah.
Push her in her stroller.
Exactly. No, he was nice about it. I was like, oops. I don't know.
Well, I just got a strike, but she didn't record it. Nope.
You got it?
I got 2 strikes in a row.
Oh, show it off.
Might make a turkey.
Show off.
Let's see if I'm gonna get a 3rd one in a row.
Get it, babe.
I got robbed. That should have been a strike.
That was close.
It's getting hot in here.
Woo, it's getting hot.
Dad got 117 last frame. See if she's even gonna get a strike on this one. Oh!
Hey,
Good
that was
job.
gonna be a
Your
strike.
first strike.
That was a a weird one. It was like...
Slasher.
I know, it's like...
She got a strike on the last frame. First strike of the game for her. Oh, is she gonna get another one? No way. No way. What? Wow, 2 in a row.
Okay.
Oh no.
I just had to warm up.
Oh no.
Now.
You got one more, babe. And she dumps down. You went from 2 strikes to just dumping those 2.
Fine, whatever.
Journey, she's already 2 months old. Gonna get her shots today. I'm exhausted. I just came back from 70-mile bike ride, almost 71, and I had a flat this morning on like mile 7, so we had to go back to my friend Tony's house and fill the air back up in the tube. That was kind of shitty. But we started at 8, and I got back at around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So and then now we're at the doctor's office for Journey's appointment. So time for her shots. You gotta get her naked, babe. Stretch. Burping. She burps. Yeah, she's got a little... What's up with your hair, Journey? What's her new weight?
9 pounds, 12 ounces.
And she's 23 inches now?
I think I don't know what guess.
Oh, you're big.
Yeah, she got way longer than last time over here.
Right? Look at her.
Ooh, she's strong. Very strong.
Yeah, she's so cute.
Yeah, right.
So hands in the mouth is normal for their development.
Okay.
And then just like making all those baby noises is perfect. By 4 months they usually laugh. So we kind of look for that. Still time for that.
You can smile now. I smile. Hi. Hi.
Well, she just got her 3 shots. Now she has to do it at 4 months and 6 months. But she did good. 3 shots. And you're good, right, Journey?
Yeah, she's good. Hoover Dam, finally, after 3 tries of trying to come here and it was closed, it's finally open. The weather is perfect today. Just came here once and it was so hot. Hoover Dam, finally it's open.
Today is November 3rd. Sorry we haven't been on the vlogs lately. I know there was a comment that said that we haven't vlogged in like 3 weeks.
That's way too long.
Sorry guys.
What have we been doing?
We've been doing a lot of activities, but we haven't been recording it.
Really?
We went bowling, we went to the doctor's office, as you guys seen, and we went somewhere else. Can't remember.
I don't know, every day blends together.
So today we are actually at Hoover Dam. We haven't visited this place in a while. We tried multiple times and we couldn't get past the security area because they actually blocked off the access to get here. So today, well, they actually opened it up last week and today we finally made it. It's actually not busy today, so it's perfect. And the sunset is about to happen.
Yay, we got Journey, like, how cute she looks.
Oh, look.
See that?
Loves dressing her up.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you guys gotta see her Halloween outfit.
Oh, God.
Our friend
Cute.
got her this cute noodle looking outfit, so we'll post it up right here.
Well, it's meant to be cup of noodles, but it says cute noodle.
If you guys have never been to Hoover Dam, it's a pretty easy drive, probably like 30-45 minutes away from the strip. And yeah, we're gonna show you guys. There's that overpass bridge up there. And that's where we come from, and it comes all the way down here. And then you park right there at the top, and then you walk back this way to come right here. We just tried taking a selfie and it was not happening. It was way too bright. So we're gonna try a different corner. That's a...
I'm going to the bathroom.
Okay, use the bathroom. Feel better?
Let's try.
Oh, look who's getting her little selfie in. Taking a photo even though you don't have Instagram right now.
Right? Instagram hates me.
You're still in Instagram jail.
In jail, they hate me.
I'll follow you. Look at that pink hair. Touch your toes, babe. They just said touch your toes. The visitor center is closed. We wanted to see what the Hoover Dam Tours was about, but yeah, I guess we're gonna end it here. Hope you guys liked the video. Sorry we haven't been around and posting lately, but we will be back soon. And thank you for all the new subscribers that's been subscribing to us. If you guys did like the video, do us a favor, give us a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on those notification bells so you guys get notified when we post up new videos. And we will see you guys on the next one.
Bye.
Peace. Got a little ribbon on her. Like that.
Yeah. So people know she's a girl. With a little headband on her. So cute. Aww.